The 2013 C-Max. The Ford C-Max was initially only available in Europe, but has found its way to the U.S. in 2012. With folding seats and ample cargo room, the C-Max is available for almost any need. The style is what will catch you, and the mileage will surprise you, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, airbags, driver airbag, Bluetooth, cruise control, FWD, fog lamps, heated driver's seat, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, compass, trip computer, power windows, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, leather seats, heated passenger seat, heads-up display, rear wiper, power heated outside mirrors. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.